Hello and welcome back to How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Netflix. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping it in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon and never miss another update from us. Now, in order to log into Netflix, go to your web browser, type in www.netflix.com and search. Soon you'll end up in the official website of Netflix, which looks like this. In order to log in, click on the sign in button located at the upper right corner of the screen. As soon as you reach to the sign in page, enter your credentials, type in your email or your phone number in the first field, and in the next field, type in your password for your account. If you want to double check your password, then tap on the show button at the right corner and reveal the password in order to double check the password. If you want the system to remember you, then leave the box right under the sign in button as it is. If you are using a public device or a shared device, then make sure to turn this off. You can also log into Netflix with your Facebook account. Simply tap on Login with Facebook and you'll be logged into Netflix with your Facebook account after entering the credentials for your Facebook. In case you forgot the password, tap on Need Help and soon you'll be taken to your next page where you can reset your password. After entering your credentials correct, tap on the sign in button and you'll be logged into Netflix account just in a minute. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any kind of a way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.